Welcome back once again to part 3 of episode number 2 of phase 3. We started early from our hotel at Damanjodi and proceeded first towards Amakund. After having a nice 2 to 3 hours time at Amakund, we moved towards our destination of the day, which is Malkangiri. At a distance of around 70 kilometers from Malkangiri district is situated the beautiful Amakund waterfall. Through the serene jungles and eastern ghats of Jaipur, Amakund is situated in a hilly place having a perennial waterfall which creates a pool of crystal clear water. The waterfall is surrounded by dense forests and small hillocks. When we visited the fall, there was some road construction going on in the last 200 meters. After parking the car, as I move down towards the Kund, the lush sound of the water starts to appear on the ears, and it only gets louder as I further move towards the Kund through the dense forest. The experience is simply enchanting and is something not to be missed. Unfortunately, as my daughter fell asleep in the car, my wife and daughter couldn't visit the Kund. There are a lot of fishes in the Kund, and the water is so clean that the fishes are beautifully visible from naked eye. According to legend, the fishes found in Kund are quite friendly to the human being and are believed to be the form of Lord Vishnu in Matsya Avatar. Fishing in that pond is not practiced according to the belief of local people as well as the visitors. Visitors can enjoy their stay at this place by feeding the fishes. To visit the Amakund by road or rail, Machagunda is the nearest railway station around 17 kilometers from the Amakund waterfalls, from where one can hire a local transport. But it is best to have your own vehicle because the place is very remote. Nearest bus stand is Koraput, which is around 4 kilometers from the location. The staying options can be Malkangiri, which is around 70 kilometers from the location. Although there were a lot of places to visit in Malkangiri, we only visited the place for a night stay because we had to, as per our plan, we had to enter Telangana by the next day. On the previous day, that is day number 8, we reached Malkangiri by around 4 to 5 p.m. in the evening after covering Amakund. We stayed in Malkangiri on day number 8, and the next day we proceeded for our next destination, that is Bhadrachalam, and entering into Telangana. On day 9, we started from our hotel Vijay Durga at Malkangiri, and our destination was entering Telangana via Bhadrachalam and staying in Bhadrachalam. Talking a bit about Malkangiri, Malkangiri is historically known as Malka Mardhangiri. It had been the new home to East Bengal refugees from erstwhile East Pakistan, rehabilitated since 1965 under the Dandakaranya project. Some Sri Lankan Tamilian refugees were also rehabilitated during the early 1990s. Malkangiri falls in the Red Corridor, which is designated to areas which have been the most Naxalite affected areas. We stayed in the Malkangiri for a night while traveling from Koraput towards Telangana. There are many important places to visit in Malkangiri town, although they were not part of our itinerary. I would like to advise all of my viewers, if you plan to visit anywhere near to Malkangiri, do do not miss to visit the tourist places around the town, which include Satiguda Dam, Balimela Dam, Kangerveri National Park, Jaduguda Ecotourism Park, Bhairavi Temple, and Malikeshwara Temple. And there are many small uh, tourist places to visit around. Although we didn't visit any place on day 9, the drive from Malkangiri to Bhadrachalam made our day. It was such a beautiful drive through the beautiful roads, lush green fields, coconut and date trees all around that at one point of time it would feel like as if it should never end. Let me walk you through a few minutes for the beautiful views we had on our travel from Malkangiri towards Bhadrachalam. I hope you enjoy the video.
So with this I finish part 3 of episode 2, and I request you to continue watching the last part of this episode, with which I would be finishing episode number 2 of phase 3.